This is not just a coin. It's the result of a hidden world of machines where millions of Malaysian ringgit coins are created every single day. The process of making Malaysia's currency coins uses such high-tech security that ordinary people don't even know 1% of what happens inside the factory. Before each coin is made, the metal is melted at an exact temperature. Then a massive press machine stamps the design onto the coin in just 1 second. But here's the most shocking part. If a coin's weight is even slightly wrong, it gets destroyed immediately. And the sound you hear inside the factory, that's literally the sound of money being made. Watch this video till the end, because today you're about to witness the secret world of Malaysia's coin factory.
Note the microtext within the milled grooves. It is exactly 0.4 millimeters. This guarantees level 3 validation.
The relief depth on the motifs is perfect. Let's check the stars' alignment. This batch matches the coin specs for correct Type 2 nickel.
Sample 402B is showing high viscosity. Nickel content is stabilizing at 62%. The solution levels in drum 3 look low.
I just adjusted the flow rate.
Verify serial number M502023-A.
Confirmed. Data matches the tablet record.
Analyzing diameter and thickness. Weight check complete. All parameters pass specifications.
All right, hold it right there. Lower it slowly now. Here are the 50-cent coins.
Oh, thank you. Just in time. Terima kasih.
The next train arriving on platform 3 is the KLIA Express.
The prototype with the distinct rim is dated to early 2008.
I see it here, confirming the production dates in the registry.
Excellent, that matches our records.